abananchi abanyene igo baraboba na police kiagera police niga gutisia omwananchi omwananchi bona for example mwana muno yothurumigwe nigo konyora family area oyo muthurumite tosaga no muntu ore where of ba correct na abantu aba
watu wana ipo hapo ni mdogo huyo ni mdogo
Situnazongea lakini
tutapigwa siku. Utapigwa na nani?
Hujui.
Nani atakupiga?
Nyinyi mkishaenda.
Baba aliniambia usiseme ataninulia mimi viatu. Alisema useme ni Msomali.
Such a serious case.
6th of April 2021 at exactly 12:40 p.m. we hit the road to Marani Subcounty, Marani Ward, Kitutu Chache North Constituency, Kisii County. Our mission for the day, quite definite. We want to know where the young, poor angel of God was defied by her father comes from. A good Samaritan, whose name is concealed, decides to take us right to the home where the incident took place. It is not a very friendly weather, but we brave the rains in quite impassable roads as we get deeper into the very quiet village of Kenyoro, a place that seems to be home for very many young boys and girls, very active and excited, wondering where the playmate disappeared to. The house that our angel first thought was a safe place is now closed and looks deserted. We try speaking to the neighbors, but they seem so scared and not ready to share a single word. They fear for their lives. At exactly 1:45 p.m., we embark on a journey back to Marani Subcounty headquarters. Here, we're heading to Marani Subcounty Level 4 Hospital, the first medical facility that the girl was brought to. The clinical officer that we meet on duty unravels more information on the increased defilement cases in Marani.
How many such cases have you recorded in the past?
Hapa Marani.
Many.
Marani nayo development ni mingi sana.
The hospital records show that at least 10 cases of defilement are reported here on a monthly basis. And out of the 10 cases, almost 9 of them do not proceed to prosecution. At exactly 2:30 p.m., my team and I decide to look for the area sub-chief to find out if she's aware of the case and if it has been reported to our office. We also want her to join us to the police station, but she doesn't seem much interested as the case was not reported in our office earlier on.
Yeah, I think I report you.
She too doesn't like getting herself into these kind of cases.
To follow up to manyere nga ye kesi kije ikeire nga yore go senda konyora
na kire dora nyora ke sente no ande yani
tingo chicharende gateni mbwate gali
goni ga tendo no ikora ne gari kora pro ya ture
nga kigore igere tobe
pare ere tego
na bongo tara na bongo ikanti ke gali para timbwate ko munche na bongo tara
Bueno, cara kwa boli ni ko police, cara kia ba de report police. Inchi police ba ko te ni te ku ba te kinga ko garonye na ko ba te
tinda te bi nga kia bi reported police na ki kinda te ko bwa timanye nga kia bi reported. Bono lende ga ite bakanda ali kyo mo chief sumu sub chief bwe ningende police busa igontara ku report gatina kina gote na gwake
ndikora nago te timba report bodi yango ko Marani abisa ile tinya gitari ta ingiale kwa bangi report ku police police obwa ku police
igongende igonto gushughulika monae
Nchirende ni ingo intindi kosuka bona ninya ndanta koliye bina igo ntengo da koliye bina
tari koliye bina babu mwana uyu no mwana mboro ngu mwana nyaruka yago utibonge tue bo best tembe
timba tige siaranda bona na kinga para bodi police yonde
lakini rende tinko report tirende wa minto ga kinayo mu sublocation nayo maite ga abu nayo maito muchiyo yura ante bingangu chiga ngorendo ga kiura nkonyonya tari yae
para bodi police o mai wato
but we are quite hopeful as she indicates that she might join us later on after we get to the police station. We proceed to Rioma police station, and luckily enough, the station commander is still seated in his office. He confirms to us that the case was reported here under the OB number 33/3/4/2021, and that he had assigned 2 of his officers to run with the case.
Now immediately the nurse reached this office and detailed my corporal is a lady and is versed with such a kind of investigations.
Yes.
And she runs down to Marani level 4.
Yes.
And actually she found the victim.
Yes.
Totally injured.
Yes.
To the extent that even level 4 did not handle the matter.
Yes.
There was a referral to MTH.
Yes.
Yeah, and the girl was taken there.
Yes.
Whereby now she is undergoing treatment. Of course, you pass it through there, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, she's well taken care of. Kind of, she's out of danger. And we have started piecing up our evidential materials. Statement taking. From there, corporal, my corporal will go to the scene.
Yes.
I understand there are some evidential materials still there, as the clothes which the girl had worn initially during the act.
Yes.
So she will pass there, pick the material for me, and we are doing investigation.
Okay, as the culprit being arrested?
Incidentally, when the mother, together with the Good Samaritan, actually who provided for some 200 bob, the transport to Marani.
Yes.
When they came to Marani level 4, the father, the stepfather, sensed that mahali imefika itaenda kwa polisi. Because he knew what he had done anyway. Akaingia nyasi. So hata sisi ndio tujue na tuanze kwenda nyuma up to the scene, the man was already gone. Yeah, we don't want to chase him physically as such, but we have the lead. Because to where he is, because he's using a phone number. With that one we can nab. That's what we are doing. We are doing investigation as a team, and sooner or later, and the soonest possible, we're going to nab the victim. I mean the villain, the culprit.
Yes. We call it a day. The following day, 7th of April 2021, at exactly 10 a.m., we proceed to the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital to check on the status of our young defiled angel. We find her in a quite stable condition. Her feeble smile clearly sends a signal of how much pain she had been relieved. We try speaking to the mother of the young defiled angel, who informs us that she is the second wife to the suspect, Mr. Gamba, and that she got married to him together with a girl. She also informs us that Julius is 50 years old, not 40 years, as we were thinking.
Iwan apa tuh kayak ya sudah itu kok bang? Mau bahasa
The mother also wondered that if it was the nail that hurt the girl as the father had claimed, why was the underwear not ruptured? A brief chit-chat with the girls and locals in Marani Hospital the previous day then informed me that many times stories are cooked and evidence is lost in the process, and that has been the major hindrance why culprits are not arraigned in court for prosecution, and that the poor are voiceless and the rich carry the day.
Mtoto anapoletwa alifikishwa hapa kama ako na mama yake, na mzemo yenye alisema papa ya mtoto ndiye alimletea mtoto kama anaunda chakula. Vile alimletea mtoto alimwambia mtoto msumari imemtunga, na wakamtoa suruali. Hiyo baba mwenyewe wakamtoa suruali, wakaosha mtoto, wakaosha suruali, akamwambia kimbia hospitali. Vile alileta mtoto hapa, hao madaktari walijaribu kumuuliza, hii ni msumari gani ilitunga mtoto, damu inamwagika vile ikatiki, akashindwa. Mama alisema ni msumari, mtoto anasema ni msumari. Waacha askari kutoka Rioma waingia. Kuna mama kutoka Rioma askari ndio walianza kuochi mtoto. Bila walioji mtoto alikubali. Alisema papa alinikimbisha kwa shamba jirani, ndio aliniweka chini, akanitoa suruali, ndio akaweka kitu yake. Na aliniambia ataninunulia mimi viatu, asiseme. Sasa hapo ndio walianza kufuatilia. Askari akauliza, tunataka ambulance sababu mtoto amepridi zaidi. Ndio waliitisha ambulance. Askari alipoondoka na alianza kufuatiliana na simu ya ambulance. Ambulance vile iliingia, kabla haijaingia, mtoto niliona hapa yenyewe damu alikuwa na pridi. Na mwishowe ile kitu tulifuatilia, tulipata mama alikuwa hata hajakula. Bila alipewa mtoto na bwana yake akamleta hapa. Alisema mtoto nilikuja kwa mzee wakiwa watoto wawili. Huyo mtoto sio mzali saa. Na kuna mwingine wenye amenisalisa wako wawili wadogo. Tukapata mama ni mdogo na mtoto ni mdogo, na tuliuliza mama, ama wewe ni mchoyo kwa nyumba? Nende kao unanyima mzee yake mpaka mzee anaenda kwa mtoto. Akasema sio hivyo, mimi ni mdogo na siri kuongea maneno. Kama ni mchoyo, mbona nimesaa naye watoto? Basi askari akamuuliza, kuna nyuma yake inaonekana kuna shida, mmeshakuwa msosa? Hakuna. Kuna wakati mmeshaona? Hakuna. Basi ndio wakasema uamuzi mtoto apelekwe hospitali. Bila alimu ambulance ilikuja ikampeleka, lakini mtoto alikuwa na pridi zaidi. Sasa kitu mtoto alikuja kubali peke yake. Mwisho baba aliniambia usiseme, ataninunulia mimi viatu. Alisema useme ni msumari. Hiyo ndio story ilikuwa hivyo.
The main reason why majority of the cases involve minors from poverty-stricken homes. And for us now is to ensure that the culprit is arrested and brought to book, and that the girl is moved to the safe place for a quick and well-monitored recovery process. The Rioma Police Commander, Mr. Benjamin Kisula, informed us that within a number 3 days, the culprit could be under the police custody. Our beautiful angel will be moved to a safe place on Friday 9th April 2021. We shall keep you posted on further proceedings in our part 2 of this story. Thank you, and let's stop defilement.